This is what I've been telling with you guys to start your parallel pumping journey now. Hi mga kamamas! My name is Tins and I'm a 10 months breastfeeding mom and yes, super love ko ang parallel pumping. Pag sinabi nating parallel pumping, sa kabilang side naglalatch baby at sa kabilang side naman is you are using a manual silicone pump. You know na mas malakas ang milk letdown ko whenever I use a manual silicone pump kasi nasasabayan niya yung paglatch ni baby, so mas mabilis yung milk letdown ko. This one is very affordable, very easy to use, and very easy to clean. This is perfect for solo moms like me na walang kasama sa bahay or hindi makapag-pump ng maayos. Why not use this manual silicone pump, sabayan mo si baby para hindi hassle for you. Yes, I'm also using an electric pump or manual pump whenever naglalatch si baby sa kabilang side. But for me, this is my favorite kasi ang bilis ng milk letdown ko dito. So kahit nakasak lang siya sa kabilang side, nakakapag-cellphone pa ako. And in a few minutes, mabilis lang siya mapuno. So siguro mga ano lang to, mga less than 8 minutes. So, I got 2 owns. So, not bad for a 10 months breastfeeding mom. And if you are going to ask me, masakit ba ang gumamit ng manual silicone pump? At first, yes. Pero kapag nakasanayan mo na, hindi na siya masakit. You have to choose the right manual silicone pump kasi merong ibang manual silicone pump na it's too hard, na mahirap siya mag-suck to the point na masakit talaga siya sa nips gamitin. So, hindi ibig sabihin na kapag mura ang manual silicone pump is pangit ang quality. No, alisin natin yung ganong mindset na kapag mura pangit, pag mahal maganda. No, hindi siya ganon. Maglalagay ako ng yellow basket mga mommies for you to try this manual silicone pump. And trust me, balikan mo yung video na to if ever na hindi to nag-work out for you. Maybe I can do something to help. Let me know in the comment section your experience of using this manual silicone pump or your parallel pumping journey.